Welcome to the Spellbinders May 2026 crate exclusive called Red, White, and Bloom and the crate bonus item of the month called Night Sky Celebration. Let's start with the crate exclusive item. These dies cut out a top hat that can be filled with a flag, firework, and flowers. These are all simple layering dies, so cut the flag out of white cardstock and adhere red stripes using liquid adhesive. For the stars, simply cut out the smaller rectangle from blue cardstock and layer it over the white flag. There is a die for the flagpole as well. Use a small line of glue and adhere the flag to the pole. Cut the firecracker out of white cardstock and layer the red stripes on top. Use the same blue as the flag to cut the stars out of the top. Cut the open hat die out of white cardstock, then cut it again, this time with the stars insert out of blue cardstock, and adhere them together. For shading on the brim of the hat, try using Spellbinders indigo cardstock. The ribbon around the hat can be found on the die with the flagpole. You can cut it out of Spellbinders poppy cardstock. Once the flag, firecracker, and hat are assembled, cut out some of the flower and leaf dies from various colors of coordinating cardstock. The hat is open, so you can fill it with the different die cuts. Starting with the flag, place the flagpole into the hat, then flip the hat over and add a thin line of liquid adhesive behind it. Place the flagpole on that adhesive and hold it in place until the glue dries. At the front of the hat, add liquid adhesive to the front of several of the leaves and stems and add them into the hat. Adhere the firecracker in the same way as the flag. Add some more greenery, then layer the flowers and flower centers on top of each other. Once you've placed everything you want inside the hat, turn it over, add a little bit of liquid adhesive around the brim, and place the oval that you die cut out of indigo cardstock, and that fills in that hole. The Spellbinders embellishment tool makes it easy to pick up and place the tiny flower centers. Use a mix of small foam squares and liquid adhesive to add the flowers to the hat. Once the hat is assembled, it is time to move on to the background using the crate bonus item. This month, the bonus item is an A2 sized 3D embossing folder that creates a background of fireworks and stars. For a really great impression, cut a piece of better pressed cardstock to 4 by 5 1/4 with the Spellbinders guillotine trimmer. Use the Spellbinders Mighty Mister to mist the cardstock and let the water soak into and soften the cardstock. Place the cardstock into the embossing folder. Create the 3D embossing folder sandwich starting with platform A, then the embossing folder with the cardstock inside, and then the adapter plate D. Even on the white cardstock, you can clearly see the depth of the impression of the design. To coordinate this background with the die cuts, use Hero Art's Blue Hawaii Reactive Ink and a Spellbinders blending brush. Blend a small amount of ink over some of the fireworks and stars. Then add the Hero Art's Fruit Punch Reactive Ink to the remaining fireworks and stars. Use a light amount so the background remains subtle and won't overpower the main image. Add tape runner behind the embossed panel and adhere it down to an A2 piece of Cosmic Sky cardstock. Add foam squares behind the hat, flag, and firecracker to adhere it down to the embossed background. Add a Spellbinders microfoam strip behind one of the stamped, white, heat embossed, and die cut sentiment and place it down at the top of the card. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!